Hello, this is Dr. Mike Moriearty. This is basic setup for the new iVibration Pro. When assembling the tower, you have two handles, a left side and a right side. Each section that attaches to the tower has 2 bolts and 2 screws. There's a screwdriver and an Allen wrench inside your packet that came with your machine. The large circular round button in the middle is your start-stop button. The button underneath that's the display button. When you hit that, it shows how much time's left in your workout. You hit it again, it hides it so you don't see it. The up and down arrows to the left of that display button are dual motor controls. They control both motors up and both motors down. To the right of that, you have program and timer. These allow you to adjust what program you want and how much time you want your workouts to last. The square switches to the right and left of the start-stop button independently control each motor. As you can see, we tried a minimalistic approach. We wanted to make everything simple and easy to use, but very intuitive. And on the back of the machine, there are 6 bolts that attach the tower to the base unit. These are reinforced steel bolts for longevity. With only a few decorative plastic pieces, this machine is mainly made of reinforced metal. This machine has a relatively small footprint, roughly 24 inches by 22 inches. The design of the top of the plate is purposely built this way to prevent your fingers from being trapped underneath it and being damaged. And on top of the plate, you can see one of our sandbags, the perfect complement to doing exercises with a whole body vibration machine. The tower is now made of metal versus aluminum. With the metal, it's more rigid, it shakes less at higher speeds. We now have softer rubber feet on the base of the unit. It helps plant the machine to the ground. During high level workouts, the machine will no longer slide around on a slippery floor. There are a total of 5 feet on the bottom of the plate. Each one can be independently moved to help balance this machine out. Both of these motors you see, H and L, they have a speed from 0 to 60. This is Dr. Mike with the iVibration Pro. This is just a basic understanding of how to operate your machine. Here at iVibration Pro, we understand that it's easy to get lost when it comes to health and fitness. We're about to release new courses to help shed light on how to get the most out of your vibration plate, to take away the confusion. I like that old fable, give a man a fish, he eats for a day. Teach a man a fish, he eats for a lifetime. If I can show people all the information that I've learned over 40 years of diet and exercise, I know I can help you achieve your goals and be the best you possible. Again, this is Dr. Mike Moriearty, the iVibration Pro, and our new courses and workout programs are coming out soon. Thank you, God bless you, and have a wonderful day.